Welcome. If you're concerned about privacy and want to make sure Discord isn't recording your voice in clips, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to prevent Discord from capturing your voice in clips. It's quick, easy, and you'll have peace of mind knowing your conversations stay private. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your device. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're in, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you directly to your user settings. Inside the settings menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Clips. Tap on it. This is where Discord manages all the settings related to its Clips feature, including whether your voice gets recorded or not. Now, here's the most important step. Look for the toggle that says Allow my voice to be recorded in clips. By default, this might be turned on, which means whenever someone uses the Clips feature, your voice could be included in those recordings. To prevent this, simply tap the toggle to turn it off. You'll know it's disabled when the switch is no longer highlighted. That's it. With this option turned off, Discord will no longer record your voice in any clips, giving you extra control over your privacy while chatting or gaming with friends. Remember, you can always come back and enable this feature again if you change your mind in the future. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on keeping your online experience safe and private. Got questions or want to see more Discord tutorials? Drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching and enjoy your time on Discord with greater peace of mind.